What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today is my husband's birthday, so we are making one of his favorite snacks ever, these Girl Scout Copycat Samoa cookies. Whenever we make these, he rations them out like a little squirrel, so they last him a long time. But sometimes, especially if he's drunk, he eats like 10 or 20 of these in one sitting. He's so freaking cute. Okay, we're gonna need a food processor, and I know you guys are like, this bitch and her food processor, but I'm telling you, it is one of the must-have kitchen appliances, so go get one now. To this, we're gonna add coconut flakes, chopped walnuts, and about 12 to 15 soaked dates. We're gonna pulse this until we get this sticky little mixture. Using your washed hands, roll a spoonful of your mixture into a ball and then shape it into a patty. Then using a straw, you're going to poke a hole in the middle so they look like Samoas. Next, you're going to take some dairy-free chocolate and melt it. Dunk the bottom half of your cookies into your melted chocolate and set them on a tray with parchment paper. Once all of your cookies are dunked, drizzle the remaining chocolate on top, put them in the freezer for about an hour, and you are done. These are so easy to make, and they're made with mostly clean ingredients, so if you're like my husband and you eat 10 or 20 of them, you won't get a tummy ache. Speaking of my cutie pie husband, go follow him on Insta at YourJoeV and wish him a happy birthday because he will totally hate it. All right, I love you guys so much. I'll see you next week. If you're new here, subscribe for more delicious recipes every single week.